does this not look right? That's better. Hello, hello. This is Els coming in from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I finally got it right. I needed a new rail for this cutter so that I could actually use this cutter, and I went to Amazon, and for some reason, I ordered, come here, I ordered blades that I didn't need because this one's brand new, but I ordered blades and hit send and just went along my merry way, and then when the blades came in, I went, stupid, you needed this part. So I had to order this part, and then I had to wait 14 more days for this to come in because it was back ordered. But now I have it, so I can use this cutter, and I don't have to get my great big one up here. So I can actually use this cutter. So that was cool. But I got this, and this is Happy Mail. And I can't tell you who sent it to me. But you see, it says Happy Mail right there. So I know it's Happy Mail. Okay. So, this is somebody who's been studying at the Hag School of Tape. Yep. Definitely studying at the Hag School of Tape. All right, let's see what we got. Shall we? Of course we shall. So we got a bag. I like bags. Let's see what we got. It's a bag. You guys know I love bags. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So these are Buzz Lightyear pins. Check them out. These are cool. And there's a whole bunch of them in here. So now I'm going to have to do like a kid thing so I can use these because, oh my god. Yep. Oh. Cruella. Cruella. For those of you that don't know, I love Cruella de Vil. She is my favorite Disney character of all time. I think she's highly underregarded. Okay? I love her. She's fantastic. Honey, I love you. Thank you. She's perfect. I love her, love her, love her. She's so cute. And lavender soap. I got lavender and tea charcoal bath soap. Pressed with charcoal for a deep cleanse that cleans your pores. Hey, man, what are we saying? I got big pores? What? What? No? Okay. Okay, let's move this. They're all different. These are cool. Okay, gotta move those. Okay, what else is in the bag? Oh, yes. I specifically asked for this because my son wants, he wants a journal, but he wants a Star Wars journal. So I got some Star Wars fabric so I can make a journal cover because I'm going to turn this into book cloth and make a journal cover for him to make him a journal because he wants one. So I'm going to make him a journal. And she put a dryer sheet in it so it smells nummy too. And then, okay. So we were talking about these and I wanted them. If you don't know what these are triage tags. Okay, and you hang these around the neck of people that are like in massive accidents, like major accidents. And so you would basically like put all their symptoms and stuff. If they're in a car accident, you know, what kind of injuries they have, where those are, what their vital signs are, and a couple of times, and if it is a minor, a delayed, an immediate, or sent straight to the morgue. And they have all kinds of stuff on the back, and you put whatever personal information stuff you can. And so she had these, and I wanted some, so she sent me some. Because I'm going to use this in a Halloween journal. What do you think? And they're not really paper. They're more like, they're kind of plasticky, but they're really cool. And she sent them to me, and I think they're awesome. And I might put them on my scanner and see if I can reduce them a little bit so that I can fit them, you know, into a journal. But they're so cool. Oh my. God, these are gold. Okay, I love those. Okay. Oh, good Lord. So I found somebody who has more napkins than I do, right? How is that even possible? Um, but she has more napkins than I do, so we're going to look. All right, let me get these all out so we can see them all. Yes, we got to see them all. All right, so the first one we have is this little birdhouse. How cute is that? Stinking cute. Look, and there's like 6 birdhouses on it, so I'll get a lot of use out of that one. And it's kind of boho. Okay, and then there's these flowers, very pretty. Again, there's like, it's like a big napkin, so I'll show you. See? So it's got a lot of flowers on it. Very pretty, and it's an off-white color, which is, I love. It's not too dark, not too light. And then there's this one that says, I am brave, and it's got these little flowers around it, like that. And then this one that's got fruits, and this one is embossed. It's an embossed napkin, and so it's got like all this pretty embossment on it, and it says gather. Really cool. Whine a little, you'll feel better. I love this one. Okay, and then there's some holiday ones. And look at that. Like, everybody needs yum in their life, right? I do. And then there's this one, which is like vintage Christmas, like that. And then, look at that. That's pretty. And donuts. Everybody needs donuts. And this one, I got this one because it had a turtle on it. It's a little sea turtle. And look, I get 4 turtles. That's a really nice napkin, too. But I get 4 turtles. So I got 4 turtles. And I got mermaid tails. And I got 4 mermaid tails, too. That's like, we are so weird. When we go buy napkins at the store, we pick up a pack of napkins and we go, I wonder if that design's on the inside. Like, because we want to get the most bang for our dollar, $2 for our napkins. And then this little beachy scene. Now, see, that's, they try to get us with that. See, it's got just on the front, see, and they try to get us. And then I got these ones, wine glasses. All these different wine glasses. That one's cool. And look at the pumpkin. Look at the pumpkin. And it's lots of pumpkins. Oh, and gourds, too. See, it's not just pumpkins. There's gourds over here. 2 pumpkins. Oh, more wine. Yep. Okay. Take joy, put it in a cork, and sell it. Okay. Oh, I got to read the whole thing. That made no sense. Bottled something. I don't know. Joy, put it in a cork and sell. Put in a cork and sell. With clinking glasses and to your neighbor person say, you have to remember drinking alone. Well, something, something friends. Okay, can't read it. And look, teapots. Look at that, teapots. It's like teacups and teapots and stuff, and this would look great in one of my Alice in Wonderland journals, you know, that I make all the time, because it's the most popular theme for people who buy journals from me. But that would be cool in an Alice in Wonderland, wouldn't it? One of my Mad Tea Party ones. Look at that one, Amy. It got the ooh. It got the ooh from the Amy. And then there's this one, which is like Polynesian flowers. And look at the bunny. See the bunny? Isn't he cute? Look at the little bunny. He's got a face like Harry. I got bunnies. And then I got this one. And I'm not going to share it with the Amy, but I'm going to show it to her. And she stuck her tongue out at me. I wuff you. Yeah, that looks like Gigi. And then there's this one. Look at this black one. I love this. You don't find very many black cocktail napkins, but I like them. And then we got this one with the butterflies. And look at this butterfly here. You guys can't see that, but it's got like roses for wing decoration. It's pretty. Look, 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 look. That's a full one. I like it. I like it a lot. And then this one, which again, I'm not going to share with the Amy, but I'm going to show it to her anyway because it's cool. And I got the tongue again. And this one, how about this one, Amy? You like this one? Okay, how about this one? Well, I like this one. It's Monopoly. It's like for game night, you know, game time. And it's just like family game time. And so it's got the Monopoly board thing on the front. But then it's got like all these game pieces on the rest of it. This one's from Hasbro. That's kind of cool. And then this one, which is the Paris one with the Eiffel Tower. And I like it. And look, I get 6 Eiffel Towers. Like it, like it, like it a lot. And then this one, which is the pink Paris napkin. And shoes. Shoes and cupcakes, like my favorite things. Shoes and cupcakes. Oh, and this one's really soft. Very soft. I like this one. So that's what I got. I got Happy Mail. I'm very happy with my Happy Mail. And I'm so really going to have to do something with these Buzz Lightyear buttons. Like maybe I'll do like a superhero journal or something. And my body tags. Yep. Look what I got, Amy. Wow. These are so cool. 1996 Disaster Management Systems Incorporated. Triage tags. They're so awesome, and they're going to be cool in a Halloween journal. I like it. And I got Cruella. All right, guys, that's it. That's what I got. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me for this brief period of time while I showed you the Happy Mail that I got. Thank you, Michelle. Everything is awesome. You are awesome. I love you to death. You know that. Thank you for getting this to me because my son will greatly appreciate his journal. And he smells nummy, which is nice. But Cruella, she's cool. That's my girl right there. Not that I would kill puppies to make a coat, people.
We like our puppies.
I like puppies. I just think that, you know, I think she's misunderstood. She's my favorite villain. All right, till the next time, guys, do me a favor, hit the red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends because I got stuff. Bye-bye.